Hi guys, today I am going to do the review of Nerf Firestrike. It only has 3 darts which we will get when we buy it. We can only shoot at 1 dart at the time. It also has a scope option. We can contain 2 darts at the below of the gun. The battery can be inserted at the bottom of the gun. There is also a laser beam which will be operated by pressing this. For shooting, just pull this trigger, reload the bullet and shoot. Okay, let's go to the fire and test. Start. Guys, if you like this gun, you can buy it in Amazon and Flipkart. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.